Hello, I've received some questions from Hillsborough teachers on how to use their existing Hillsborough email address to make a new Google account. I'll go into that with a little more detail here. You start off at google.com, you click on sign in, and then you go down to create account and click on that. You also click on for myself. You provide your first name and your last name. Instead of putting a username here, you're going to hover over use my current email address instead and click on that. This is where you will type in your existing Hillsborough email address. Then it's time to create a password. I recommend creating a password that's different from the one you used to sign into your first class. Yes, it would be easier to remember if the passwords were the same, but good practice is to make different passwords for each of your accounts. So I'll pick a password that I think will be difficult for people to guess, and then I'll click on next. Now, I'm going to stop here because I already used my Hillsborough email address to get a new Google account. So when I click on next, it's going to tell me that there's an error because my email address was already used. But for you, everything should be fine. You'll click on next, and then you'll be told that an email was sent to your Hillsborough account to verify that that account is yours. That email will look like this. You'll get a 6-digit code, and you return to the verification screen that will have appeared after you click next, and you type in those 6 digits, submit those digits, and then your new Google account using your Hillsborough email address will be all set up. I hope this was useful.